The compact drone revolution is about to take its next giant leap forward. DJI, the global leader in drone technology, is preparing to launch its next miniature masterpiece, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. After the massive success of the Mini 3 Pro and the incremental improvements seen in the Mini 4 Pro, DJI is now gearing up for a groundbreaking new release that promises to redefine portability, performance, and aerial imaging for content creators, travelers, and professionals alike. So let's dive into what is being hailed as DJI's most advanced ultralight drone yet. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. DJI has officially teased a product launch event scheduled for August 15, 2025 with the tagline, Fly Further. Capture more. Sources close to DJI and major drone retailers have confirmed that this event will mark the global unveiling of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. August 15, 2025, announcement event, live streamed on YouTube and DJI.com. August 17 to 18, 2025, pre-orders begin. August 25 to 27, 2025, global shipping starts. August 30, 2025, in-store retail availability. The timing aligns with DJI's typical late summer drone refresh cycle and will allow early adopters to get their hands on the Mini 5 Pro just before peak travel and content season. DJI's Mini line is known for balancing performance with portability and price. However, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to bring flagship features into a tiny frame, so a slight price increase is expected compared to the Mini 4 Pro. Expected pricing. Version price, USD. Mini 5 Pro, standard, $859. Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo, $1,099. Mini 5 Pro RC2 with screen, $1,199. Still under $1,200, the Mini 5 Pro remains one of the most affordable high-end drones, especially when you factor in its 4K 60 video, obstacle avoidance, smart flight modes, and advanced GPS precision. While keeping its under 249 g weight, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature a more aerodynamic body, improved arm design, and an updated gimbal mount. Design upgrades. Larger front sensors for better obstacle detection. Ventilation slits to help with heat dissipation. Foldable design refinements for easier pocketability. Matte coating to reduce glare from the body during flight. New wind resistance design rated for level 6 gusts. The biggest change? The Mini 5 Pro may come in two finishes, Arctic White, Classic, and Graphite Gray, stealthy and pro-looking. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a massive jump from the 1/1.3 sensor on the Mini 4 Pro. Camera specs, expected. 1-inch CMOS sensor. 48 MP stills. 4K at 100 frames per second slow motion. 10-bit D-Log M plus HLG profiles. Hyperlapse 2.0 with real-time AI correction. Vertical shooting for social media, true vertical mode. Night mode with larger pixel binning. With these features, the Mini 5 Pro becomes ideal for travel filmmakers, YouTubers, vloggers, and Instagram creators. Battery has always been a strong suit for the Mini.